a $32 million assassin. No pilot. It flies at 15 kilometers altitude and could be watching you right now. This isn't science fiction. This is the MQ-9 Reaper. Nicknamed the Grim Reaper, is a true predator. Its eyes can read a license plate from 3 kilometers away. It can fly for 27 hours straight without landing. But the Reaper doesn't just look. It is a hunter-killer. Under its wings, 1.7 tons of weapons. Fire and forget, Hellfire missiles, laser-guided bombs. When a Reaper locks on, there is no room for error. Fast, clean, deadly, and the scariest part? The pilot controlling is sitting halfway across the world. Warfare no longer has distance. Do you think this is the future of warfare? Comment your thoughts.